Question number 1. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 2. What is the capital of Australia? The right answer is option C. Canberra. Question number 3. Who invented the telephone? The right answer is option A. Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 4. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The right answer is option B. Jupiter. Question number 5. When did India gain independence? The right answer is option B. 1947. Question number 6. The currency of Japan is? The right answer is option B. Yen. Question number 7. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Right answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 8. What is the boiling point of water? The right answer is option B. 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth atmosphere? The right answer is option B. Nitrogen. Question number 10. Who is the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? The right answer is option A. Marie Curie. Question number 11. What is the SI unit of force? The right answer is option A. Newton. Question number 12. Which Indian state is known as the land of 5 rivers? The right answer is option A. Punjab. Question number 13. The Great Wall of China was built to protect against which invaders? The right answer is option A. Mongols. Question number 14. Who discovered gravity? The right answer is option B. Isaac Newton. Question number 15. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The right answer is option B. Au. Question number 16. Which is the largest desert in the world? The right answer is option A. Sahara Desert. Question number 17. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The right answer is option A. Sardar Patel. Question number 18. What is the capital of Bhutan? The right answer is option A. Thimphu. Question number 19. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? The right answer is option B. Neil Armstrong. Question number 20. The study of plant is called. The right answer is option A. Botany. Question number 21. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The right answer is option B. Stapes. Question number 22. What is the national game of India? The right answer is option C. Hockey. Question number 23. The longest river in the world is. The right answer is option B. Nile. Question number 24. What is the full form of WHO? The right answer is option A. World Health Organization. Question number 25. Who composed the Indian national song When Mataram? The right answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 26. What is the primary source of energy for the earth? The right answer is option B. Sun. Question number 27. Which Indian scientist is known as the Missile Man of India? The right answer is option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 28. Which is the smallest continent in the world? The right answer is option C. Australia. Question number 29. Who wrote the book The Discovery of India? The right answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 30. The famous monument Taj Mahal was built by. The right answer is option B. Shah Jahan. Question number 31. What is the chemical formula of water? The right answer is option A. H2O. Question number 32. The tallest animal in the world is. The right answer is option B. Giraffe. Question number 33. Which element is essential for respiration? The right answer is option C. Oxygen. Question number 34. What is the capital of France? The right answer is option B. Paris. Question number 35. The term Golden Revolution in India refer to. The right answer is option A. Horticulture development. Question number 36. Who was the first Indian woman in space? The right answer is option A. Kalpana Chawla. Question number 37. What is the highest civilian award in India? The right answer is option B. Bharat Ratna. Question number 38. What is the national flower of India? The right answer is option C. Lotus. Question number 39. Which ocean is the largest? The right answer is option D. Pacific Ocean. Question number 40. Who painted the famous Mona Lisa? The right answer is option D. Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 41. Which is the longest railway platform in the world? The right answer is option A. Gorakhpur, India. Question number 42. What is the atomic number of carbon? The right answer is option B. 6. Question number 43. What is the largest organ in the human body? The right answer is option C. Skin. Question number 44. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? The right answer is option B. Antonio Guterres. Question number 45. What is the full form of GDP? The right answer is option C. Global Domestic Product. Question number 46. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? The right answer is option B. Japan. Question number 47. What is the national tree of India? The right answer is option C. Banyan tree. Question number 48. Who is the founder of Facebook? The right answer is option B. Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 49. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? The right answer is option B. Jaipur. Question number 50. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? The right answer is option B. APJ Abdul Kalam.